So how many litres of water in the pool? Well, if 1 cubic metre is 1,000 litres and we've got 450 cubic metres, how much water's in the pool?
Yeah, times that.
It's going to be 450 with 3 zeros at the end.
Yeah. 450 with the 3 zeros at the end, so 450,000 litres. We just multiplied it by 1,000. Nice and straightforward, nice and easy. Water is pumped in at 4 litres per second. So how long to the nearest hour and minute will it take to fill the pool? Right. All these numbers are gone now. That's the key number now. Yeah? 450000 is the key number. That's how much water's in the pool. You're putting 4 litres per second in. What are you going to do with those numbers? You're going to do a... Yes, you're going to do a division. Yeah? So we've now got, I'll do it up here at the top, 450,000 divided by 4. And that's going to give us an answer in seconds. Yeah, in seconds. It's going to be quite a big number, I'm guessing. Yeah?
112,500.
Well, 112,500 seconds. Yeah? But the question says hours and minutes. Hours and minutes. Right then. How are we going to get that to hours and minutes? Should we convert it to minutes first?
Yes, by divided, no. Something 60.
Yeah,
Divide by
60.
60.
So that's going to tell us how many minutes it is. So what does that give us in minutes?
1,875.
And then the next increment from a minute is an hour. So if we've got 1,875 minutes, if we divide that by 60 again, it's going to tell us how many hours it's going to take. Okay. Which is going to be
31.25, so 31 hours and a quarter.
so 31 and a quarter hours. Yeah, because 0.25 is a quarter of an hour. 31 hours and 15 minutes. Yeah, look at that, we've got it right. 0.25, remember, is 15 minutes in the digital time. Perfect. Yeah, perfect. So the last part of the question now to get the full 6 marks is this. The water company charges 0.23p per litre of water that's used. The pool must have the water replaced twice a week. How much will it cost to change the water per week? Now this part of the question here is not relevant anymore. That part of the question is not relevant. That part is, because that's how much water is in the pool. Yeah, that's how much water is in the pool. So let's work that out now. How much is it going to cost? Is it that number multiplied by that number? I thought it might be. $450,000 times by 0.23. Wow, it's going to be a big number. What's that number?
103,500
Is that pence or pounds?
pence.
So 103,500 pence. We need to change that to pounds, don't we, really? Yeah? So how are we going to do that? We're going to divide it by
100.
100 because there's 100 pence in a pound. Easy, just cross off those two noughts. £1,035. Uh-oh, I've missed something.
We need to double it.
We need to double it twice a week. £2,070 to change the water twice a week. Do you agree? Yeah, there it is, 2,070 quid. So yeah, that was a big question. Looked like a massive question at first, didn't it? Quite scary. That's your volume. That's the only volume part of the question, to be perfectly honest. And then you just had to do that bit of a conversion. But it's nice and straightforward. Cubic metres to litres is quite a straightforward calculation because it's just 1 to 1,000. Then this bit was the tricky bit. That bit was the tricky bit. How long would it take to fill the pool? You got it in seconds, you had to change it to minutes, you had to change it to hours. Remember when we did scale and we went from centimetres to kilometres, you did it centimetres to metres, metres to kilometres. It's the same thing with this. Do it in little steps. And then finally, this last little bit, which was relatively straightforward. Okay, but that's a typical exam style question on volume. Okay, we're going to have a look at a couple more now that I've not got on the screen, but I'm going to give you as paper versions and we'll work through them.